So how do you make money online in Westport, Massachusetts? My name is Ricky Burrows, and I currently live in Westport, Massachusetts. I'm a network marketer, I'm an affiliate marketer, and I truly enjoy this industry that I have come to love and cherish over the last 2 years. The way to make money online in Westport, Massachusetts is just simply building relationships with other people who are in business or they are interested in starting a home-based business and just going from there. You have to be branding yourself so that people are attracted to you, they are attracted to your business opportunity, and you're not leading them in a direction that's like self-centered, where it's all about them. It's all about what they want, where they want to take their business, or where they want to start, and then show them how to get started, show them where to get going. And I've been able to do this successfully, and I'm just really fortunate to have um, just the connections that I now have because of network marketing. It is definitely a relationship-based business, and it's one that you should seriously consider taking on. I actually got into all this because I was let go from a job and without a reason, so it really irritated me. And long story short, I came to fall in love with network marketing, affiliate marketing, so I could start a home-based business and attract people to my home-based business opportunity rather than go out and chase people, because that doesn't work. Companies will tell you to do that. It doesn't work. I'm telling you right now. Spamming people on Facebook does not work. You have to attract them, and they will come to you and say, hey, I want more information. So that's how you can get started in making money online in Westport, Massachusetts. So go ahead, click on the like button, the subscribe button for more videos like this, and hit the link below so that you can get more information on how you can start your own home-based business right here in Westport, Massachusetts. Take care.